Hi guys, this is Kiran. Today I am going to explain about tone control for getter amplifier. These are our group members. This is Babji, this is Venkatesh, and now we are going to show a module.
Here is our circuit. This is the pre-amplifier stage and this is the power amplifier stage. This is the tuning circuit. This is the voltage amplifier. So we are giving the input signal through the guitar. So this is our PCB model. This is our PCB model. So we are giving the input through the guitar. It will pass through the op amp and generate the output through the 6th pin, and it will goes to the tuning circuit. Here the tuning circuit has 6 variable resistors and a low pass filter and which has a high pass filter next to it. So when you tune when input is given, the tuning circuit will comes into action. So when 40 Hz, this is the 40 Hz and this is the 155 Hz, this is 625 Hz and this is 1.25 and this is 6.25 and this is 10 kHz. So when 0 to 100 Hz, we will get a reduction frequency at a frequency of 40 Hz, and from 100 to 400 we will get 155 Hz and so on. So and this will be passed through the power amplifier and we will get the output from here. So this tuning circuit, as this is a low pass filter, it will attenuate the high frequencies and it will goes through this. As it is directly connected to this high frequencies gradually reduces and comes to the constant frequency. Here is our PCB model. The main applications of our tone control for guitar amplifier is different persons have different sense of hearing. So in order to sense every range of every ages, so we are here to design the tone control for guitar for any amplifier. So here is your PCB model. We give the input through this and this pass to the capacitor. Capacitor gradually charges and this will discharge to the op amp. So when it is discharging through this, we will get through the 6 pins, 6 variable resistors. So these are the potentiometers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these range of frequencies are, so when the reduction in frequencies is 40 Hz for this, 155 and 625 and 1.25, 6.25 kHz and 10 kHz through this. So this is the 40 Hz which will generate. This is the low pass filter and this is the gradually decreasing high pass filter. This acts as a high pass filter and these are respectively, this goes on. So here comes the output.
Here comes the output of the CRO. Here you can see that constant frequency running out. This is the input signal and this is the output we are getting. And here we had given a frequencies and we had found out the range of frequencies. If we had given 0 to 100 Hz, we get a constant frequency of 40 Hz, and 100 to 400 Hz we get a frequency of 155, and 400 to 1 kilohertz we get 625 Hz, and 1 kilohertz to 1.5 kilohertz we get 1.25 kilohertz, and above 1.5 kilohertz we get a 10 kilohertz constant frequency.
All about our project. Thank you guys. Yeah.